Okay, welcome to 3.4, Identify AWS Database Service. Databases are the brain of your AWS ecosystem, the Jarvis that organizes, remembers, and reacts. Relational databases like RDS and Aurora handle structured transactions. DynamoDB powers lightning-fast, NoSQL applications. ElastiCache keeps responses instant by storing data in memory. Migration tools like DMS and SCT move legacy systems into modern cloud architectures. Taking it back to Iron Man, Jarvis runs on data, organized, structured, and reliable. AWS databases are your Jarvis. RDS is your memory. DynamoDB, your reflexes. And Aurora, your scalability. Treat your data as your core intelligence that drives every decision in your cloud armor.